Hi guys, welcome back to Natural Tribe where we teach young women how to achieve longer and healthier hair. So today we're going to be looking at how to twist your natural hair. I don't know why I get there and I'll just slow down. It's so annoying. But today we're going to be teaching you how to twist your natural hair and get these popping curls like mwah. Yeah. I look fly and sassy and sexy and dope and fresh and fly like me. So let's dive into the video now. I'm going to be starting with my hair mist. Next is my leave-in conditioner. That was funny. My leave-in conditioner. And lastly, my shea butter. Sorry, I just remembered Uncle Gel. So yeah, that's it. This is the last thing. Head Funk Extreme Gel. So that's what we're going to be using for today's tutorial. And our time starts now. I start by sectioning my hair and I'm going into with my hands to get a cleaner cut. Usually when I twist the back of my hair, I section it into another 4 parts. This helps me reduce stress and I can get to do my hair faster. Twist is my protective style that I really love because since I've been doing it, I've noticed maximum growth. I've noticed that my hair has time to breathe and people will be wondering what makes my hair long, and this is the key to my length. In order to see growth, I keep this twist in a week or 2 before I refresh my twist or I redo them. Another benefit of twisting my hair is that it gives me access to treat my hair. Like when I'm oiling my scalp, it gives me access to massage my scalp as well. Girl, see how my hair is looking juicy. By doing the LOC method and adding a gel, you just seal in all the moisture. No moisture is going to leak. Some people might just start twisting their hair straight, but me, I section my hair into 3, then plait it before I twist it. This helps my twist last longer. So I cross it over, cross the other side over, and divide it into 2, then twist my hair. So now we're at the front, and now I'm going to be showing you how I twist my hair. I also sectioned this part into 3. I section my hair like this because I like the box braid effect. If not, you can just use your hand and cut the amount of hair you want to twist. As you can see, I'm carrying one part of the hair to the other side and the second one to the other side. Then I'm twisting. I twist from right to left. I actually learned that in a hair salon this year, so it was really really cool. It was a cool experience. So I do the same thing again. I divide it into. As you're getting to your end, detangle it because it might just get tangled up as you're twisting. So to twist my hair, as I told you earlier, I divide it into three and braid it first before I go in and twist it. So I take one piece over the other and the other piece over the other. Then I divide it into two and I twist. I braid my root to give me a firm grip, and so I can control the tightness of my hair. To twist, I divide it and I wrap the first one over the second one, first one over the second one, and I go down while detangling my ends. If you want to get this smooth effect, this smooth juicy effect, you simply press your hair down as you twist so it looks smooth as it's done. So yeah, basically that is how I twist my hair and look fly and popping and sassy and everything in between. I look sugar spice and everything nice. Oh my gosh, I have fun. So if you're still watching this, thank you so much. It means that I'm creating good content for you. Please share to your friends and family. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified, and finally, baby girl, like so YouTube is going to know this video content is relevant. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I've done like how many videos now, and I'm proud of myself. So we want to reach 100 subscribers, so please share, and let's create as I said in my other video, Black African girl magic. So yeah, my twist look bomb and I'm feeling myself a little, and yeah, that's it, baby girl. Stay tuned for more because we're gonna give you more, baby. This video, so stay tuned. Please share to your friends and help this movement. We want to get to 100 subscribers, so share, like, subscribe. So if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're oldie, please get your friends to subscribe to this channel so we can get to 100. Oh, and share to your friends and family. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you learned something. So the question of today is, do you actually struggle with twisting your hair? Let me know down in the comment section below. So till next time, I love you and you love me and we are happy family. Yeah, peace.